industry. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today's topic is going to be those pesky cracks that we see in our garages and if we can fix them. Good news is we can. There's multiple ways you can fix them. You can use epoxy over top of them. You can do like a polyurethane injection on them that gives it a little bit more flexibility. If it's misaligned, you're going to have to grind it down or do a polyurethane lift to re-level it, and then put your aggregate or your polyurethane in the center of it to fill the crack in. Once the crack's filled in, you're still going to know that the crack was there and it's been repaired. The way we recommend doing it after that is utilizing our polyurea floor coatings to put over top of it. It'll hide all the existing cracks that you have there, and then almost gives you a brand new concrete slab / garage floor without having to spend the cost of actually removing and replacing your slab. And that is your foundation repair tip of the day. Get it done with while it's still recording.